Welcome to Noel's Family Garage. Today we're going to be getting into this 73 Challenger. We went and picked it up from Texas and we're going to start doing the build on that. We're going to be doing it on a few different channels, so best thing to do is like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss any of this build. This build's going to be awesome, so you guys should follow along and check it out and see where it goes. We're going to do all kinds of things, so I just want to thank you all that have subscribed and liked my channel, and I hope I catch you on the next video. So have a good day. Right there.
There she is.
There she is. Good morning, everybody. We made it all the way from Glendale, Utah yesterday. We're all the way in Vernon, Texas now. We just barely got up. We're gonna finish our drive into Texas further to get to where we need to be to go pick up that new car. So stay tuned for that, and I'll maybe try to show you guys a few things along the way if we stop anywhere. But yesterday we didn't stop much. We just traveled straight through and got here about 10 o'clock at night. So we got 300 miles left to go into Texas further. And then we will turn around and head home and drive another 1,200 miles. So I'll see you guys when I get back on here. That windmill is pretty big and it's so green. Makes me not even want to go home till spring gets here.
Turn the camera over this way. Is it on?
Yeah.
All right. We've been in the truck for 1,300 miles. We're about a quarter mile away from the Challenger, so we're getting really close. It's going to be right down this road. Is it on the left or the right? Do we know?
I do not know yet.
All right. Well, the big moment's coming up. We're going to be there in just a minute.
Right there.
There she is.
There she is, right there. That's
Holy
crazy.
Cow. That's her. That's everything I wanted.
Heck yeah, perfect.
And then some. Look at this short box. Square body.
A nice little short bed Chevy right there.
Cat. Oh, we got plenty of cats.
How are y'all?
Good, how you doing?
This is my nephew and my great nephew.
Oh,
Hello.
Good to meet y'all. It's a long drive though.
That's a long drive.
That's way long.
Yeah.
It was
How many hours was it?
22 or 3.
right, 22,
It's
23.
a long drive.
Yeah, about 1,300 miles.
Okay. Here's your car.
Well, here's the car we drove all this way for.
Stocked up in there, huh?
Pretty sweet.
That's a basket.
Yep. Say the least.
Sure. Basket.
Yeah. Well, they trying to organize it a little bit better. But what is it? We went to New York and I turned the door even for this car. You know, like I'll show you. We got panels right here. Door panels. And, where the front marker lights go and stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, but he did the trunk and everything else, and he did the floor, and he did the quarters.
Right on.
You care if you're on video?
No, I don't care.
Okay.
Cool.
Let's ask it's Ryan, right?
Yeah.
Ryan. Come here, Ian. Tell us a little bit about this, where it came from and how you got it.
Well, I went to New York to go and, pick it up. I had a 68 Dodge Dart, and I had just lost my 15 Challenger, and I always said that if I was ever going to, get another car or, another Challenger, it'd be an old Challenger, and I was building my house out there. I had to get my kitchen done, so this is my kitchen.
Man, I build kitchens.
Oh, do you really?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Man, I even trade then, huh?
Oh, I do. Yep. I have a wood shop. That's what I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's not perfect,
No, it's got a little bit orange still, and
the man who
stuff. I think we can clean all that up.
yeah, the man who had it before me, he kind of he was getting, you know, he's passing away. He had liver cirrhosis, so he didn't have very much time to live. So he was just trying to get it ready for a car show, I guess, you know.
Yeah. It's pretty sweet. It's a good platform to start with, I think. It looks like pretty solid.
Okay, hold that level. There you go. Otherwise, we have to edit.
I got a little bit of stage fright, you know what I mean?
You're all right. You're all right. 340. It's gonna have a 440 when we're done.
That's the way to do it, man.
Yeah.
You want to see that stuff on the car wash? Yeah.
Yeah, they didn't. Whoever painted it didn't.
No, yeah.
Much crap, did they?
Not at all.
Yeah.
You can see along the side. This is what I was telling you about on the firewall. It looks like he was epoxying it. It was kind of a trash job. I would go back and cut it out myself.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Or
we
he did
fix all that.
fiberglass or something, didn't he? What do you think, Jess?
Yeah, let's see. Is it? It's epoxy, probably, or fiberglass, one or the other.
Yeah.
I'll have to grind into it to see, but I think we'll.
So did he
What'll we
build the
get?
318 or anything?
That's
Do you know?
what he says, but it's hard to say because I'm not.
Yeah, you don't know, do you?
I mean, it may be a good running little engine, but I don't.
Because we have a 67 Dart.
That's a good looking car right there.
Yeah.
I had it. That's like that 68 I had.
Some nice clean oil.
I paid $5,000 for it. It was sitting in the field. It was a good. I mean, it was a good platform too. It was a good deal. I also traded the shotgun for it, which I want that back too.
What was
Remington
that?
870.
Oh,
I've had it
cool.
since forever.
A pump?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a long trip
Like
down
a
there.
Wingmaster?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I don't know my guns that well, but that was a good gun though. I do know that.
Yeah, they could have taken a little more time on the body, huh?
To say the least, yeah. Looks like it was painted blue another time because you can look right here where the bumper's supposed to go.
Yeah.
Looks like a different shade of blue.
So the bumpers are in here?
Yeah. Use that.
Is it going again?
There's a factory and then they put that plastic on top of it.
And they oversprayed onto the column.
Yeah. He really rushed it.
Yeah, he rushed it. Oh yeah, there's the bumper.
And it looks like there's supposed to be a brace right here. Did you get that video I was telling you about with the...
Yeah, I did.
If you put pressure on it, it folds in.
A little bit, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there's a couple
with the black vinyl top.
Yeah, that's what I'd put back on it. But I don't know. Those things are notorious for rusting.
They're hard to maintain.
Yeah, there's a little overspray on there.
Leaving it in the basket. This is how I got it.
Yep.
This will be perfect for putting it together on our channels. It'll be great.
Oh yeah, man.
Door
Yeah.
handles.
I'm be
it's
following
got,
it for sure.
Heck yeah.
We got discs on the front. Yeah,
It is disc in the front and drum in the rear. Pretty good looking car. It's going to take a little work, but I think it's going to be pretty easy to get her all put back together. You guys follow along and you'll be able to see all this as we build it. We're going to do the 440 into it. It's going to be freaking awesome.
Yeah, mine had a traction bar.
And it's an RT and it has a pistol grip shifter in it with a 4-speed, a Muncie 4-speed. It's going to be pretty cool.
We'll find us a set of Kragers. Yeah, I'd count at least count those, make sure they didn't short us. Because you never know.
Yeah.
I didn't
If there's anything over, I'll give it back to you.
Well, everybody, here we are to get this car. This is the whole reason we came this almost 1,300 mile trip. So
That's awesome. That is sweet. Here, Tony, come take a picture of it. Yeah, make sure you get my head and my feet. sun might be a little much.
Oh no, this is perfect
that
right here with
perfect?
the sun.
Okay,
All right, see how you like those.
awesome. Here you done awesome.
All right, everybody, so this is the reason we came for this car. So you guys better follow my channel, follow Clayton's channel, and we'll get some stuff going on this and get it put back together. So you guys stay tuned for that.
So we probably won't.
There's a button that says in and out, push the inside. All right. Let me know when you're ready.
We're ready.
Out there. That's probably gonna want it because then it has some space still right on the tip.
Yeah, perfect. I appreciate that. Did you have a lot of interest?
Yeah, I was trying to recreate something I could get again, the 2015 challenge, which these are a whole different ball game.
Oh
Still,
yeah, these are.
whenever it's your first car, it's kind of the same reason, but you had this. You're actually, 2015, you can find it, but it's still tough.
Was it the V8?
No, it was I mean, I was, cool car. Being in high school. Yeah, I thought it was cool. I thought it was so cool. I've sold my third, traded my dark horse, and sold my square body, and this is all I wanted. You gotta do it. Alright. I'll get you one another one.
Stuff on the forward tail real fun.
Oh, yeah.
For sure.
I'll get another one day.
Good.
Hopefully, if you.
Thank you, bud.
Dude. Jess is going to be pulling the 440. Get it pulled out. You want to let that off, Jess? Let the winch off. And then we'll get it out of the. I'll get the. Oh, I'll get one more. Okay, yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, man, I highly recommend investing in one of those, man. Imagine having, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm also.
If you want to grab your battery, I'll grab this. I don't know if I can lift the battery, but I can lift this. That sound feels nice.
Yeah, but you can call me lazy, I don't like using those.
Tractor Supply. Did I see a Tractor Supply somewhere?
Yeah, there's one down.
Right beside that car wash.
Oh, here in town? I may buy a couple more.
We ended up on the frontage road coming through here. And it was awesome. We went to white-tailed deer. I've never seen white-tailed deer. Oh, yeah. We had big deer with you. They're home, that's it. cam and everything too.
What is it, 76 or 78? Or,
Oh, this back here?
yeah, yeah. Cool. I was gonna show you this right quick.
It's a 70 440, so it'll be close to the same vintage.
Yeah. Oh man, that's the best way to get them is out of those motorhomes. There's that factory 454.
Factory AC and everything.
They're rare, dude. I mean, we've been looking for he had a big 1078 454, but I mean, you know, beggars can't be choosers kind of thing. So
yeah, that's pretty sweet.
He drove to Arkansas to get this one, and most people look at it and they're like, oh, it's just another square, but it's hard to find one.
Find you some.
All right, y'all. You better check out Ryan's channel as well. He was a nice guy, and Clayton had been trying to work this deal out with him, I think, for like quite a while, really. They've been talking about Challengers for a while, so check Ryan's channel out. I'll put it in my comments down there at the bottom somewhere. And also check out Kian's channel and Cody's channel and Clayton's channel. Everybody that's involved with helping with the filming and anything else to do with this, I will put their links so you can check out any of their stuff on their page as well. And thanks for watching.